So here is the Olympus EPL9. Yes, you heard me right, the Olympus EPL9. I'm really very much excited, to be honest with you, to show you this camera, because I mean this is Olympus EPL9. If you're thinking to buy the EPL9 or EPL10, they are nearly the same. There's not like a minor, even big difference, other than like few, I mean, filter here and there. Same body, same 3-axis lens. Why I bought this camera? I bought it for photography and plus for vlogging. Even I did my review on this one. Make sure to watch out. So here's the Olympus EPL9. I love you, Olympus. Olympus, why you don't sponsor me? Why you don't sponsor my video? Why you don't invite me in your event? Okay, I bought with a kit. 42 millimeter. I mean, I really love Olympus. Oh, my camera. Oh, I share. Okay, here is my receipt. Why should I show you? Why should I show you? I have my warranty card. Okay, this is the original one, not some kind of like I bought it like from Japan. I bought it from Hong Kong because I live in Hong Kong. Okay, whoa, the camera. Okay, let me put the camera aside. I wanna show you my excitement later. Okay, what is this? Quite big box. I like the packaging. I mean, I like the packaging. Oh yeah, while I bought it from Broadway in Hong Kong, which is like I don't wanna show you my serial number, blah blah blah. I bought it from Broadway. I put the battery inside the camera because I was testing in the shop before buying. I hope so, but only the battery will be inside. Okay, these are the strap and the USB cable. Awesome. Let me put this inside. Here will be the lens, right? Yeah, the lens will be here. Let me just take out. Okay, let me just put here the lens. The charger will be. Come on. Okay, the charger. Because I need to charge my battery. Sadly, this do not have a USB charging, but you can easily buy $5, $10. I mean, battery charger which charge by USB from the Amazon. Okay, let me take out the camera. Wow, I mean the first impression is wow. To be honest with you, wow. I just want to put the box aside. I mean, there's nothing like special in the box, but I like the packaging. I mean, here we go. Wow, this camera is awesome. Let me just lower down. I mean, look at it. Look at this beauty. I mean, I can easily vlog. I didn't put a SD card because I didn't bought. Sorry, in the shop I didn't bought the SD card with the camera. I have my personal SD card. I will put later. But here's my unboxing. Here's the lens. This is a Micro Four Third. Wow. Let me just put it. And let me just remove the cap. I'm excited. I mean, I can easily do vlogging like this one. Let me just turn it on. Wow, I'm using the, as you can see. Wow, I can easily. Hi guys, it's me. I love you, Olympus. Can you see me or not? Anyway, I mean, wow, it's already take a photo. Wow, I mean the zoom is quite good. Let me show. Wow, it's very fast. I mean the lens is really pancake. I mean, it's a really pancake. It's not like a Micro Four. It's not like this stupid. I mean, this is not a pancake. This is a full frame. Yes, I upgrade from full frame to Micro Four Third. Yes, a lot of people say, Jimmy, you downgrade, you dumb people. I did a downgrade. I upgrade. This is more compact. This is have a IBIS. It have a better, in my eyes, autofocus than Sony. Yeah, I'm saying it. This have a better menu. I think I need to get a screen protector for it. Okay, no SD card. Okay, I didn't put the battery on is inside. Okay, this is the menu. Even I'm going to do an in-depth review of the menu. So let me shut my mouth. Let me get out and then shoot some images with this camera. Plus, I'm going to use my all-time favorite. This lens. 40mm f2.5. I wish Olympus make some kind of like this pancake. Like Olympus, please give me more pancake lens. Let me just go out and shoot some more. Allah fahab li tawbata wa ufir dhunubi fa inna
إنك غافر الذنب العظيم إلهي لست للفردوس أهلا ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي توبة واغفر ذنوبي فإنك غافر الذنب العظيم Tuhanku, aku tidak layak untuk syurgamu, tetapi aku tidak pula sanggup menanggung siksa nerakamu. Dari itu kurniakanlah ampunan kepadaku, ampunkanlah dosaku. Sesungguhnya Engkaulah pengampun dosa-dosa besar. Tuhanku, aku tidak layak untuk syurgamu, tetapi aku tidak pula sanggup menanggung siksa nerakamu. Dari itu kurniakanlah ampunan kepadaku, ampunkanlah dosaku.
The 4K video recording on the EPL9. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality. Yes, you need to be the judge how good is the video quality recording on the EPL9. Let me increase the exposure. Yeah. So the how good is the video quality? It's 40mm f2.5. So you need to be the judge how good is the audio and how good is the video quality. 4K EPL9. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality. Let me just walk and let's see. How good is the video quality? This is a video recording on the Olympus PEN E-PL9. How good is the video quality and how good is the exposure? You need to be the judge. Yeah. So this is the Olympus PEN-E-PL9 recording in 4K 30 frames per second. I'm just using the sensor base stabilizer. If I try to use the sensor base plus the digital, so the image will be cropped on it. So right now I'm recording in 4K with zero crop. Yeah, this is the 40mm to 42mm pancake lens. I'm recording at 40mm, which literally mean I'm recording at 28mm in full frame. So I have just like increased the exposure by 1.3. You need to be the judge how good I'm sounding and how good is the stabilizer. Yeah. So I'm just holding the camera with my hand again. You need to be the judge how good is the camera and how good I'm sounding. Let me like decrease the exposure. Yeah, so because it's a little bit bright here. So now you tell me. So yeah, this is the sensor based stabilizer only. How good is the video quality and how good I'm looking. Yeah, you need to be the judge, to be honest with you. So is the camera focusing on me or not? I think that's enough. So good morning guys, it's me Geek recording on the EPL9 4K 30 frames per second. As you can see, I'm riding a bike holding with my left arm fully extended. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality. Yeah, again you need to be the judge how good is the video quality. Just trying to ride the bicycle. As you can see, you need to be the judge how good is the video quality of the Olympus PEN E-PL9. Yeah, let me show you around. Let me just stop my bicycle and then let me just show you around how it look like. Okay, here we go. So just riding my bicycle and then let's see the beautiful sea. There is a train coming. Can we capture the train or not? It's like early 6 a.m. in the morning. Okay, finally you are going to get the train. Here we go. Yeah, here we go. We got the train. So how good is the stabilizer? I'm just hand holding it and then try to ride the bicycle. So you need to be the judge how good is the video stabilizer. This is the video quality on the Olympus EPL9. So you need to judge how good is the video quality and how good is the what can the camera show around and how good is the sound coming. So this is the recording on the Olympus EPL9 with the kit lens 14 to 42 millimeter. I'm using the sensor based stabilization. I'm not using the enhanced stabilization. So how good is the audio and how good is the video quality? You need to be the judge. Yes. How good is the audio quality and how good is the video quality? Again, you need to be the judge. To me, it seems quite good. Good to be honest with you. Yeah. But again, at the end of the day, you need to be the judge. Yeah. To my eyes, it seems quite good. I mean, yeah. How good is the video quality and how good is the audio quality? I'm just handling and trying to walk. I'm liking it. To be honest with you. Holding for longer period of time can be hard, but I'm liking it. Recording with the kit lens 14 to 42 millimeter. How good is the audio quality and how good is the video quality? This is the kit lens 14 to 42 millimeter. How good is the video quality and how good is everything? I'm just handling, to be honest with you. Yeah, how good is focusing? Again, you need to be the judge, to be honest with you. To me, it seems quite good. But you need to be the judge to tell me how good it is. This is the 4K video recording on the EPL9 with Panasonic 25mm f2.5 lens. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality and how good is my face. Yeah, you need to be the judge. I mean, am I overexposed or what? Let me decrease the exposure a little bit. Now you tell me how good is the video quality and the exposure level. This is the video recording on the Olympus EPL9 4K 30 frames per second. I'm using the Panasonic f2.5 lens. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality. To be honest with you, it seems quite good. Let me underexpose. I can overexpose, as you can see. I think underexposing will be better here now, or like this will look. So yeah, you need to be the judge how good is the video quality and how good I am walking. To me, it seems quite good, but again, you need to be the judge how good is the video quality, how good is the video stabilizer. If you are on a vlog, you can vlog like this. Ooh, what's up? And how good is the audio? Yeah, the sun is like just behind me. Let me just see. Let me test the focus. Is the focus okay? Yeah, the focus seems quite good, to be honest with you. EPL9, I love Olympus cameras. I mean, oh, it's quite good. I mean, yeah, wow, I like it. I mean, it seems quite good, to be honest with you. Yeah. But you need to be the judge how good is the autofocus. Olympus EPL9 14 to 42mm kit lens. How good is the video stabilizer and how good is everything? You need to be the judge. Yeah. I'm just using the regular sensor based stabilizer, so I don't want to crop the view. When you use the enhance, there is a crop, but you need to be the judge how good is the video quality, and how good is the stabilizer.